sleeping line. मैम ने आपको पहले ही बताया था स्लीपिंग लाइन कैसे बनानी है, लाइक दिस. ओके, as you have if you have task book then do it on that. If you don't have then ask your mother to give you notebook. So हमने स्लीपिंग लाइन कैसे बताई थी मैम ने, like this. So ask your mother to make dots. Make dots like this and you will trace the dots like this. You will trace the dots like this. Very good. So today what you will have to do? You will have to do page number 24 in task book. Okay, page number 24. On page number 24 there is sleeping line. If you don't have, then ask your mother to make the lines in your notebook and you will trace it. Very good. So in the what we learn how to make sleeping line. Okay, now come to next. Now we will learn English. Now what we learn? We learn English. In English, what we learn? We already have learned 3 alphabets. Again, we will learn it today. Very good. Which alphabet is this? This is A. Very good. Which alphabet is this? B. Very good. And which alphabet is this? C. A, B and C. So as I told you, a word starts with A. A word starts with A. And a verb starts with A. Very good. Almond starts with A. Okay, now come to next. B. Which alphabet is this? B. Very. Now, ball starts with B. Ball starts with B. Very good. Now, bowl. Bowl starts with B. Bowl starts with B. Very good. And now box. Box starts with B. Box starts with B. Very good. Now come to next. C. Which alphabet is this? C. So as I showed you, cup. We all have the cups now. We drink our tea and our milk in cup. So cup starts with C. And cap. We all have the caps now. When we go out, we wear our caps. So it will help us from 10. So cap starts with C. Cap starts with C. Now candle. Candle starts with C. Candle starts with C. Very good. So today what we learn in English? We learn 3 alphabets. A, B and C. A, B and C. A, B and C. A, B and C. Very good. Now, kids, now all of you start, clap your hands. Very good. All of you clap your hands. In numbers, what we will do? We will learn how to make slanting line. Today we learn a new line. Which line? Slanting line. In numbers, what we learn? We learn slanting line. slanting lines. Okay, do you know what is slanting line? This is slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. Slanting line कैसी होती है? टेढ़ी होती है ना. हमारी राइट्स होती है, हम लोग स्कूल में जो प्ले करते हैं तो कैसी होती है? स्लैंट होती है, उस पे हम प्ले करते हैं ना. तो which line is this? This is slanting line. So ask your mother to make the slanting line on a paper. If you have the dance book, then it is not needed. If you don't have, then ask your mother to make the slanting lines and then make the dots like this. And then you will trace these dots. How to trace these dots? Hold the pencil like this and start tracing the lines. Hold the pencil and then start tracing the line like this as I do. Same manner, in the same manner you will have to make the slanting line like this. Don't make this messy thing. Okay? You will have to make the proper. Hold the pencil and then start tracing the line like this as I do. Same manner, in the same manner you will have to make the slanting line like this. Don't make this messy thing. Okay? You will have to make the proper slanting line. Very good. So in dance book you will have to do page number. You will have to do page number 36. Okay, you will have to do page number 36. So today how many lines we learned? One new line we learned. Which line? Slanting line. Today which line we learned? Slanting line. And in Hindi you will have to make sleeping lines. So you have 2 pages today. Okay, very good. Square. Which shape is this? Square. And which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Very good. Now come to next. Which shape is this? Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. Very good. Now come to next thing. This rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. And now tell me, which shape is this? Diamond. Which shape is this? Diamond. So how many shapes are there? There are 5 shapes. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle and diamond. Square shape कैसी होती है? इसकी 4 sides same होती है. So it is known as square. And we all have the balls now. So what is the shape of a ball? Circle. Very good. And which shape is this? Triangle. There are 3 sides, not triangle. Now come to next. Rectangle. We all have the books which is of rectangle shape. हमारे पास books होती है ना जो किस shape की होती है? Rectangle shape. Now come to next. Diamond. There are 5 sides in a diamond shape. How many sides are there? 5 sides. So it is known as diamond. So how many shapes we learn today? Again we learn 5 shapes. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle and diamond. Okay, very good. Start clap your hands.